Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in a bit of a disarray at the moment because I'm just trying to make room in my small workshop for a new piece of equipment coming later this week, which is incredibly exciting. You'll get to hear about that very soon. The reason why we're here is to give away the 2,500 subscriber poll. I think there's about 55, 450, somewhere around there, videos eligible for the prize. I've used an internet app to choose that winner. To choose a winner from each one, and then I've put the winners from each one into the same app to choose the eventual winner. That's been done. I haven't contacted the winner yet, so if you're watching this now and you haven't been notified, then don't worry, it could still be you. I'll swap over to in a second to the internet app to show you the winner's name. But apart from that, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel and watching my videos. It's been an incredible 9.5 months. I never expected anything like this could happen when I started, and it's been absolutely mind-blowing, and I'd like to thank every one of you. The next giveaway we're going to be doing will be on the first anniversary of the channel, which the first video was released on the 16th of March last year. So the 16th of March this year, we'll be doing another giveaway then. Sorry, I'm getting confused. I'm slightly disarray at the moment. Right, but apart from that, thank you very much indeed. We'll swap over to the app now, and I'll see you in there in a second. So here we are. I just typed into Google random list chooser, and we're just using the first one that came up. You can see there a list of everyone's names. These are the winners from individual videos. Okay, and I've just clicked the button, and now this is going to choose our final winner. And the winner is British B-Man. Congratulations, well done. Send me a note, and I'll be in touch, and we'll get this bowl to you. But apart from that, thank you everybody else for being involved, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.